Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, so medyo kakagising ko lang pero no choice. Pero i-unbox na natin tong bike natin. So I arrived here last April 5. So I take 3 days off. Nagpahinga lang ako. Saka natin to bubuksan. So time check, it's 9 a.m. na. So super laki ng box natin. By the way, thank you so much 12 Bikes for preparing my bike and everything, conditioning my bike and all, overhaul and such. So, tara na, unbox na natin siya. Kasi, tomorrow morning, mag-start na tayo mag-ride. Ayan, so first stop pala natin is Thailand, of course. So, right now, nandito tayo sa Bangkok. Thank you pala kay Kuya Noy. So, siya yung nag-box ng bike natin. Kuya Noy from 12 Bikes. Ay! Okay. Ayan na. Guys, hindi GT yung bike natin, Ayan. So, medyo malaki talaga yung bike ko. Kaya, ang laki din ng bike box. Tulungan niyo ako magbuhat. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Ito, so nilagay ko siya sa bike box natin. So, ito yung magiging handlebar bag natin. So, this is Cornerstone bag, X-Pack. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga hygiene ko, gadgets, probably. Yeah, so this one, babaw muna natin siya. And, of course, yung helmet natin, oh my God, napakapakan na. Siyempre, ang ating helmet from Urge Pro. Thank you so much, Urge Pro, for my helmet. Yeah, so this one. Yeah, so ito yung gagamitin natin for our Southeast Asia tour. Ayan, so baba muna natin siya. And what else? Yeah, this one. I think this is my pedal. Ayan. So actually, these are stock pedals. So yung ating, I think this is Viva. VV Max, yeah. Kasi kailangan nakatanggal yung pedal kapag binike box mo siya. And, wait, meron pa dito. Yeah, ito yung old rack ko, pero I don't think I'll use my old rack. This is not so durable. Yeah, so this one. Ay. And last, eto na siya. This is so heavy, guys. Like, my back, this whole thing, it's 20 kilograms. And then yung bike ko is like 15 kilograms. Oh my gosh. So it's like this. When you do it solo, you have to do everything on your own. So, as a strong, independent woman ang peg natin. So, ayan. Let's go. Let's unbox this. Okay, so we will remove this. Ayan, so let's remove the zip ties. Oh my God. Okay. And so sa mga planong mag-solo tour, make sure na marunong kayong mag-assemble ng bike. Okay. Okay, so medyo naka-deflate din siya. Kasi dapat naka-deflate daw. And should I remove this? Oops. And this. Okay. Okay, so yung bike pala na gagamitin natin is, this is the bike that I will be using. So this is Kona Unit X. So this bike is the one that I'm using for almost 3 years now. Or 4 years, I guess. And this is the perfect, wait, yeah, so this is the perfect bike for me. Because I want to do some bike packing trips in Laos. So, yeah. How about this one? Oops. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I could do even one properly. Where is it? So, ilalagay na natin yung pedal. Make sure that it's tight. It looks easy, but it's not easy. Ayan, so we're almost done with the bike. Ayan, halos tapos ko na siya i-set up lahat. So I just need to pump the tire since medyo dineflate siya. Pero hindi naman totally deflate talaga. So papump na lang natin siya. And then I have some problem with this one. Ito, I have some problem with this one because it's loosened. So I need to put this extra tube dito sa loob para mag-tighten up siya. Buti na lang we have this extra tube. So very important na may dala kang mga ganito just in case something is wrong with your bike. You can do it DIY if walang malapit na bike shop. Pero syempre, later on, pag may bike shop tayong makita, papacheck natin to lahat. So ilalagay ko yung rack dito, but it's the old rack, this one. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do this one because this is a cheap one and we'll be using Ortlieb. Medyo mabigat yung pannier racks na gagamit. Yung mga pannier bags na gagamitin natin. So that's it. So we're almost done with unboxing. So this is the bike that I will be using. Same bike that I'm using for quite some time. For almost, actually hindi, for 3 years now. So that's it. And abangan nyo yung mga bags na ilalagay natin dito. We'll do it in a separate video. And kung meron ka pang mga gustong itanong, comment mo dyan sa baba. And that's it for this video. Ride safe everybody. God bless you all.